Came across a VSI file from the vShare App Store and not sure how to install it? These are installer packages from a third-party iOS and Android app marketplace. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll walk you through handling vShare app installer files safely. When we reach the final stage, we'll shift gears. We are going to maximize results with a single, highly effective VSI file inspection program that provides coverage for a wide range of formats. A VSI file is an application installer package used by vShare, a third-party app store for iOS devices. Users download VSI files to sideload applications onto their iPhone or iPad, often to access apps not available on the official Apple App Store. The file contains the necessary data to install the application. The VSI format is essentially a container, likely a renamed archive like a zip or IPA, that bundles the application's executable, resources, and metadata. This proprietary wrapper is designed to be recognized and processed exclusively by the vShare Helper tool, ensuring the installation process is managed through its ecosystem. Historically, the main tool for managing the VSI type has been vShare Helper by vShare. Using a dedicated tool minimizes the security vulnerabilities associated with this format. Windows shows only basic metadata, so interacting with the content requires mobile management software. To correct the file's application assignment, right-click your VSI file and choose Open With. Check for vShare Helper and test it first. If it's missing, select a different app. The key to access is finding the right tool. Let's change direction. The failure confirms a hidden issue. Run through these 3 rapid diagnostic checks with me right now. First, installing via vShare app. Install the vShare client app on your iOS or Android device from the vShare website. Open the VSI file through vShare, which handles the extraction and installation of the embedded mobile application. Note that vShare service availability has been inconsistent over the years. Next, extracting the inner package. Rename the VSI file extension to .zip and extract using 7-zip or WinRAR to access the inner IPA or APK file. Install the extracted IPA on iOS using sideloading tools like AltStore or Sideloadly. Install extracted APKs on Android by enabling unknown sources in security settings. Finally, considering security risks. Be cautious with VSI files since third-party app stores can distribute pirated or malicious applications. Scan extracted contents with antivirus software before installation. Whenever possible, use official app stores like the Apple App Store or Google Play Store, which provide verified safer software downloads. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. One helpful next step is to try a utility that attempts to bypass standard file associations by using raw-level data inspection to better identify the file's likely origin. When your file is still locked, the issue is almost certainly due to its niche format, which few programs recognize. FileMagick specializes in reading these obscure file types. Visit filemagick.com for more info. If the problem is solved, please show your support by liking and subscribing right now.